Hello and welcome back to the Rallycross project. Just wanted to bring you an update on all the things that we've done since the last time we did one of these updates. The biggest thing we did is a suspension lift. We put brand new Outback struts into it, front and rear. The rear used to be completely slammed, almost like a lowrider. Now we have... Oh yeah, now we have, well, you can't even see this one. There it is. Now we have brand new Outback suspension underneath it, so that's given us a pretty fair amount of ground clearance. One thing I forgot to mention in the last update video that we had already done was put Altimax Arctic tires on it. We put some snow tires on it, and those did really good in the mud. I put Subaru rally car stickers on it, which add 5 horses.
Plus 5 horsepower. Giggity giggity.
Obviously we've got our surnames on there and our Rallycross stickers. What else did we do? We went to Cedar Rapids Public Works and picked up a no left turn sign, which Sean cut and bent to shape, and that now serves as our skid plate, and that served us well. And the last thing we did today was took it to professional Muffler, and thanks to a donation from my generous neighbor Dan, we got this blast cannon installed. It doesn't sound very good, it's kind of rattly and ricey, but that's because we still have stock exhaust. It's only a muffler. But the muffler itself is loud enough that it should help when we're out there revving it up. It was already way too quiet. So the car's in pretty good shape. We're heading out to Columbus Junction tomorrow, where we will be using approximately 2/3 of the dirt oval in addition to the infield and the outfield. So that promises to be an extremely awesome day, and we can't wait to put the car to the test and see how the suspension and everything holds up. So thanks for watching. See you there.